I'm Grace. I'm going to introduce you into the world of porcelain. Please come in. So welcome to my lab. Before I start the case, the first step is to go over what's going on here with the technician and review the cases, what I need to do. We establish the treatment goal and communicate it between the doctor and the technician and, of course, the most important person, the patient. In this particular case, we are trying to create a new smile, multiple teeth involved. And in this particular case, you see the different colors. The silver-looking teeth are actually made of a foil. It's a platinum foil. The porcelain will be stacked over on this, and this creates a porcelain veneers. The white coping that you see is zirconia. So this is made with a computer. That will be mounted into this and scanned into it. We are scanning the model work as a part of the CAD/CAM technology to fabricate the framework for porcelain crown. This is the first part of the scanning work. Then we will move on to the designing of the framework. This is the CAD/CAM technology. It means we use a computer to help to design and fabricating the framework for porcelain crown. And then we can start the process of making the porcelain teeth. Porcelain actually coming in a bottle, and like all this different type of bottles, and tells you different colors. That means different chroma, different opacity, and so you will dump the powder into an artist palette. The tools I use. This is a typical brush. You can pick up your porcelain powder with the brush and apply this to your substructure. One more touch, and this is ready to be placed in the oven. Isn't this fun? So the firing is complete and the material is cooling down. It's safe to remove the porcelain from the oven and place on the bench. That's a baked porcelain. Make an ideal shape. And one more bake. We should have it. And then I can glaze it and finish the case. Now we are ready to glaze the porcelain. So there are different stains on this palette, and we will actually add on a final color to the cases.